This week we're going to continue working with 1-point perspective. We're going to do a lot of erasing, so draw lightly and you will need a ruler for this project. First, draw your horizon line and vanishing point. Next, erase your horizon line because we're working on a different type of perspective drawing. Draw a triangle shape coming from the vanishing point. Continue that triangle pattern until you have 10 lines going around your paper. Now add a line inside each triangle, making sure it's not too close to your vanishing point. Erase the lines going from the vanishing point to the lines you just drew. These are now buildings. We are working on 1-point perspective from an ant's eye view. It's called an ant's eye view because we're looking up to the sky from the ground. To add the sides of the building, add a dot right over the building you're working on and draw an angled line to represent the side of the building. If you want a building to be wider, add 2 more sides on the building. When you add the lines, make them as evenly as possible. All the lines on the sides of the building should be angled. To add windows, draw lines going across your building. When drawing the lines on the side, draw them at an angle. Again, make sure your lines are evenly spaced when you draw them. If you don't use a ruler, your lines are going to be uneven and crooked. We're trying to keep the same angle all the way through. Notice how I didn't draw the lines well on the left-hand side. So I'm going to erase it and redraw my lines, making sure they are the same width, roughly about the same width. Now finish your buildings by adding windows or anything you'd like. Remember to always place a dot over the building you're working on and draw straight lines. Your lines can be horizontal or vertical depending on the window pattern you'd like.